What's up, guys? Double Seven Wall Street here. So, I gathered a bunch of data for earnings today. Today's Wednesday, August 14th. We have Cisco, LITE, Stone, and then tomorrow we have Grab, AMAT, TPR, John Deere, and Walmart. So, all really interesting companies, but nothing really stood out too much. Walmart ran a lot since last quarter, and they're only expecting to make about 4 to 5% gain year over year on the EPS this year versus here. So unless they have a dramatically like beat this quarter compared to the same period last year, they're probably not gonna go up much. And last quarter, Walmart's already reported that consumer spending is weak and whatnot. So that's something to consider. John Deere, also a really interesting company. Think like construction, farm equipment, things like that. Price of last year was $414. Right now they're trading around 345, but the reason they're doing that is because the outlook is down. Last year they were making about $10.20 earnings per share and $15.8 billion in revenue. This is how much they're making this quarter, right? And on percentage wise, that is like 43% decrease in terms of earnings per share and 30% decrease in terms of revenue for John Deere. So I mean, unless they have a huge turnaround quarter, I don't see things going too well for them. And then we have TPR as well, also like making less money than last year, unless consumer spending somehow flips around and pulls a miracle. I think the only thing that is like making more money is these two companies, Stone and AMAT. They're making more money than last year. Stone is a little bit more. Stone is performing like at 52% year over year if they hit this number. But will they hit this number? We don't know, right? But if we're taking a bullish bet, expecting them to meet expectation and hit the number, then they should have room to go up further because last ER they were trading at 16, and they're trading at 12, 13 right now. So they're trading significantly lower. So that's the only company that I can see us having a really good potential. AMAT is also interesting as well, but they're definitely having a positive quarter, and if the valuation continue to stay strong at high levels, then they should be worth more. But realistically, fundamentally, they're only making 6% more year over year in terms of EPS compared to from 2002 cents versus $1.90. But last year they were also making the same amount of percentage, but they still they were trading that. I mean last quarter, and they were trading much higher. So this is the only one that has a green light. So it'll be interesting to see that play out on the chart wise as well. We're kind of at a make or break line here, so it could go either direction, and this is technically a resistance. So in order to break the resistance, we need a strong volume upwards. So we need strong volume to push over it to really break over. Otherwise, it'll probably come back down. So like I said, it's in the middle of the range here. It can go either direction, honestly. So good luck on that. Hope you guys make money. Have a great day.